So we are back here inside Unreal, and we're going to go ahead and look at how we can track how many pickups have been picked up here. So I'm inside the first person game mode. So if I just close this and we go to the blueprints under the first person and we go to the first person game mode, we want to open up the graph here. And once we're inside here, we have set this up so it says picked up, so we know that something has been picked up. But now we want to go ahead and track how many pickups we have. So in order to do that, we're going to right click and type in switch, and we're going to scroll all the way down until we find switch pickup list. So this is the enum that we had created before, and we're going to plug this in here. And so once we have that, we need to go ahead and bring in our red pickup. So let's drag this in, choose get, and we want to drag from here, and we want to press the plus icon, and we want to add our plus integer, and let's just move this over here a little bit. And we want to add a value of +1, so every time the player collides with one of these pickups, the value of 1 is going to be added. Now we can go ahead and drag out the variable again, and this time we're going to go set, and we want to plug this. Set into the switch. And we want to plug the red pickup into the plus icon. Let's just tidy this up a little bit. Then from here, we want to go ahead and type a print string again. So we don't have the interface fully implemented yet, but we can use a print string to show that this is actually working. Now what we can do is we can click the little drop down here, and I'm going to change the color to red, and this will just display the text in red. Seems as we are creating a red pickup. Okay, so from here we want to go from the in string, and we want to go ahead and append again. So let's go ahead and type append, and in the A we're going to type in pickups collected space, and we can go ahead and plug the B into this open from the variable here, and this will create a conversion. So basically what we have here is we are going to every time we collide with a pickup, we're going to add 1 to the value, and then that's going to go into the string. That string is then going to go backwards. It's going to display how many or display this text, and then it's going to go back and get the updated version of how many of the pickups there is, and it's going to display that value. So what we can do is we can go ahead, we can compile this, and if we go back into our level here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a few copies of these so we can see this working in real time, so we can see the values being added. So let's just go ahead and create a few of these. There we go. And now if we right click and choose play from here, so this is just a little screen here. As we move through these, you can see that we have 1, it's going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. So we're collecting the red pickups there. Now what we can do is we can go ahead, and if we go back to the enum, so let's just scroll back, or go back to the enum that we created here. What we can do now is we can add more pickups. So we have a red pickup, but if we want to, we can also go to add, and we could say type blue underscore blue pickup. Let's see. And in doing this, what we'd also have to do is go ahead and create a new base class for our a new child class, should I say. But when we do that, we can see that now we have a drop down of which pickup is being collected, the red or the blue. And so that's something we can set inside here. So if we were to have multiple pickups, what we would need to do is go ahead, go back to the blueprint here, and we need to create a new base child of the base, and add extra pickups there. But we'll cover that in later videos. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.